Today we can check one Impex steam iron. It is around 2000 to 2300 watts, 200 to 240 volt, 50 hertz, made in China. It is a new one, not used more than 2 months. So it is not working fully. So first I am checking the code, 3-pin code. Here one fuse is there. Look, here one mentioned fused. That means inside one fuse is there. First check the 3-pin. There is no clay. If any clay is there, I will remove with this knife. Any clay is there, I will remove the knife, or with the sandpaper also. This is the contact, this is insulation. Then you can remove the screw and check the fuse. This is the fuse. Then I take my multimeter, digital multimeter, and analog digital display and analog multimeter connected, and connected to 200 ohm range. So it is working. 0.7. Now I am checking the fuse resistance of the fuse. So fuse is working, no complaint. Fuse is working, no complaint. Then I am checking the cable. This is a flexible cable, very flexible cable. Here no damage, but the cotton is little outside, cable is too outside, no issue. Here also cotton tape is little out, no damage. If you want to use some insulation tape, that is cotton tape or any normal insulation tape, you can use. Either normal insulation tape also you can use here. So then I want to remove the back cover. This is the back cover. Look, here is triangular screw is there. From the toolbox I take the triangular screw. Okay, I removed. If triangular screw is not available, you can use some minus screw, smaller size. This also suitable. Yeah, this also suitable. Some not bigger size, some smaller size minus also we can use for removing. So I remove the back cover. So then again I can check the continuity for the, look, this is a L is phase. The color is mostly, the color will be red or near to red. So that plug, after the plug it is connecting to the fuse. Then this cable, red cable, is going to here, red. So I am checking the continuity of red. So red continue is there 2.2 ohm continuity is there. Then again check the other color is blue, that is N, neutral. The blue cable is coming to this point, that also continuity is there 0.7. And again checking the earth, this is the earth and the earth is going and coming to here. Earth also working, continuity is there 0.7. So 3 cable is okay. Then I am checking any earth leakage, anything is there or not. Yeah, checking with the neutral with the body. This is the metal body, I think not there. Body leak or earth leak is not there. Now I place in face and touching the metal body. No, touching the metal body. No, this is Teflon coating, so inside not there. Checking the continuity of the unit, connect the multimeter in the ohms range, hold like this. Then I am rotating the control knob, thermostat, no indication. That means this is not working the continuity. Either the element is damaged, otherwise the thermostat with its contact is damaged. So I am removing all the unit. So removing the top cover, that means here one screw is there, another one screw is there in under this. So for this push like this and take, here one screw is there. Here one screw is there, that also we can remove from plus or minus. It is star, model is star. So thermostat is there, that also we want to remove. Just like this, you can remove this one. And again 2 items is there, one contact, another one is there, spring. So I will keep in some area. Then I am removing the balance screw. 2 screw I removed. Then 4 screw is there. This one, this 2 screw and this 2 screw. Use star screwdriver. Lifting time only. Here also 2 LED light is there, and 2 diode and resistor capacitor is there. For the more architectural beauty, getting more light. That's why they are using two LED. Actually it will be same symbol, but for getting more architectural beauty they use two LED. Okay, then I am remove the code safety grip. Again two screw is there inside this. Remove that one. Here some grip also there. Remove this. Then this is a here one protection is there, that remove. Then look, two screw is there, two screw is there. So remove this screw also. So remove another screw. So here two screw, another one screw is there inside, that also remove carefully. Remove very carefully, replace. Then remove the handle. So remove the side one, then remove this one. Here remove the light, LED light, and here you can remove the pump unit, spray pump unit. Up to here now remote. So this is the thermal contact. I think the complaint is inside either element or this thermostat arrangement. How? Remove the 3 screw and again check. Connection is there, 3 screw. Remove the 3 screw. Okay, remove the 3 screw. Here one porcelain spacer also there between the screw and the unit. So I remove that 3 small spacer. This electric iron is I am using only 2 months only. Within 2 months there is lot of dust is coming to the inside of the unit. So I am cleaning with the brush. This is for the less than 2 months of working, because it's steam express, steam iron, steam spraying iron, their concept is different. Other than electrical heating element, various spray function is there. Spray is there, dripping is there, another is there. So water also come inside the side unit. So here 2-3 unit is there. One is element, heating element between this and this. Check the continuity. I can check the continuity. Second one is here is thermostat. In between this thermostat with this arrangement. So mostly I think thermostat some contact, some carbon dust something is there. The third one is there is one thermal fuse is there. This is the thermal fuse. So I can check the continuity from here, multimeter in the ohms range, from here to the other blue end. If I check this, continuity is here, this is working. Then I am checking the continuity in between this with so here this is the element. From here to here I check the continuity. If it is working, it will show one reading. So the element is working, it is showing reading. Okay, the resistance is there in between the heating element, the continuity is there. That means it is working, element is working. Second thing is thermal fuse, coming from here to the other end of the blue is here, connecting here, and one end is here. So that also working. Thermal fuse also working. So the complaint is this thermal switch, this thermal switch, thermostat switch. This is a two connection not working, not rotating also. This is not giving any continuity, that is it is not working. So that means here one thermostat switch is there, lot of carbon precipitate, so continuity is not getting. So remove this and clean with the sandpaper and adjust little tension, then it is working. For this, remove this two screw, take out and clean with the sandpaper. For this, remove this one, remove this one, remove this one. So you can see that complaint is here, it is not touching. Here one air gap is there. So that is a manufacturing defect. I think this is not good quality manufacturing defect. Before I am using Philips, Black & Decker, some other good model. Now a lot of low cost model is available in the market. This is the clear manufacturing defect, because within 2 months this this thermal contact have some malfunction. So here I can see clearly there is gap is there. First I will clean this contact, then little bent, then that is the only solution for this. So remove these screws, two screws, and disconnect the connection. So I remove this thermostat, bimetallic thermostat. This is bimetallic. Heat is there, it will bend. So now you can click. Now you can hear the click sound. This is working well. What I can do, remove this one and insert one sandpaper, emery paper in between this, little clean, not too much, and using this knife also, and just to clean little, not hardly, very little, because some carbon precipitate is there. It will clean, then it contact will be work smoothly. Don't do too much. So will check the continuity for this two side. Yes, working. So click sound is there, no connection. Then I am rotate little slightly. Reading is continuity is there, so that means it is working. So the fault is for the thermal switch. So I have replaced the thermostat. Use correct tension. Replace the contact. This star screwdriver with the magnetic tip. So place and replace the contact. So again check the continuity, keep the multimeter in the position. Now it is continuity is working. Now it is switch off. Disconnect, again rotate clockwise, then reading is showing, that means it is working. Replace the two screw correctly, washer is in the correct position, tight this 3 screw correctly, working.